Hey, this will be a video chart on PIHN, Polaris International Holdings Incorporated. Finally, this one is gone. I've done, I don't know, 2 or 3 videos on this one. Every time, the volume has creeped up, thinking that maybe this was the big move. But finally, the big move has come. And as expected, if you go back and watch the other videos, all the price targets were hit relatively quick. And not only that, we had a nice close, so it closed up above everything. All these lines you see are simply from the other times I've done the video. So like I said, you can find those if you just go back and look through my videos. But real quick, what everything is, this was just our support level. We don't need this down here anymore. These were our 2 resistances, and what I had been saying pretty much is, 0007, 0008 were the 2 key resistances, and if the price could get through there, then I really like the chances of it coming up and testing this previous high, which was also basically the same thing as this orange line, the 200-day simple moving average. And sure enough, today the price broke both of them, and like I said, raced up there. But not only that, broke above and then kept on going. And the best part was it even closed up here. So, just a very good day overall. No complaints. And then you check down here at the volume, and it's something where you had plenty of volume, so you can put some confidence in this. Had this big move happened on a a volume day like maybe that, or even something like that, you can't put too much confidence when something occurs like this. But a big price action with a big volume bar like that, that's exactly what you would want to see. So now I got to get the chart updated, and we need to find some new resistance levels. So the first thing I'm going to do is get rid of this line too, and our new kind of very important, or as I like to call them, must hold support level is going to be right down here at the 0008 region. The reason I call it must hold is, assuming this is a truly strong move, this level should have no problem holding strong. If the price were to fall down here, people should be just chomping at the bit to try to pick up some shares. But if the price were to come down here and then you get a close below it, that's just a red flag, because that's saying that something's just not right anymore. There's either not enough demand for shares or there's too much supply. But that's more of a drastic scenario right now, considering we closed up here at 0013. The next area of support is just going to be that previous high here at 001. Now this is one where ideally you'd like to see it hold, but if it doesn't, no need to panic, because we still do have this support level down here. But if you were to ask me, well, what level would you like to see hold to get the best looking chart? It'd be perfect to see it consolidate here, never drop below that before heading back up. But like I said, you can still have a good looking chart if it falls below there and then consolidates around here. But ideally, this would be the level you want to see hold. But at the same time, no need to panic or jump out of windows if it doesn't. So now we got to find some resistance levels. So let's scrunch up here and take a look to see where some previous areas might be. So I can't really tell if we got through this line or not, but I see a bunch of bottoms over here. So this was a common price right here, and we did get above that too. So actually this is going to be another support level. I'm going to leave this line skinny because yes, it's a support, but like I said, if it does fall, because we barely closed above it. But this level is right here. Actually, let me drop that down a little bit more. This level is down here at 0.0012. And I got that from, once again, look over here. You can see there's a bunch of lows. So at one time this was a big solid area of support, but now it has turned back into, or it turned into resistance then when it fell below, and now it's finally gotten turned back into support over there. So the next resistance area looks to be pretty much right up around in this area up here. You can see we had a bunch of highs and so forth. You could even put it up there. I'm just going to kind of split the difference and put it right down here. This level is up here at 0.0017. So this is going to be the next key area of resistance that we want to see the bulls fight through. I'm not going to go any further than that. We'll take one step at a time. If the bulls can get up here and close above that level, then I'll be back. And actually, what I'm going to do? I'm just going to put it right up here at these highs, which is at 0.0018. So if bulls can get up here and put some close in above 0.0018, I will be back for sure to update the chart. But for now, congratulations everybody. Way to turn all these red lines into green lines now, and hopefully within the next week or so, this line will also be turned into green because the bulls get above it and can close up there. So we'll just have to wait and see. But overall, great looking chart. You got to love the volume and price reaction today, and hopefully this will build some more momentum and we'll just have to see what happens. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety and something for everybody. It's all free, so it's worth at least signing up and giving it a try. We've been making some good money together, so you got nothing to lose. I'd encourage you to sign up. One more time, this was PIHN. Thanks for listening.